Kojic sent me this first aid kit for my review, and this thing is special because this is definitely something that you would see on the go, right? So you've got the straps in the back. I imagine this maybe strapped into the side of a truck, a car, even a bicycle or even a motorcycle. You can actually have that attached there, so you always have this ready. You also have this strap here that you'll be able to strap something to it, like I said, and make sure that it is secure in place whenever you need it. Obviously love the color. It is very first aid color. You have that nice little yellow handle on the side, and then a handle on the other side if you want to carry it like this. That's pretty cool. So let's open it up. This one has 500 pieces. I want to see if there's anything in here. There's nothing in here, but that's extra storage for yourself. I'm assuming this is, oh no, this has all the stuff. Look at that, cooling patches. And I love the fact that they don't just throw one in there. They actually give you sets of, because you're going to be using it once and then you go, oh man, I need to replenish it right away. You don't have to. So that's a really cool thing. So great to have all of these. Very, very important to check that first aid kit guide, because this will give you all the information on how to at least get acquainted and get started at using these tools and these products in there to help your loved ones. So this is, in an emergency situation on yourself or someone else, definitely something that you need to learn. So let's open up the main compartment here and see what this looks like. Ooh, I love this. I love how this, look at this. This is so neat and properly set up here. So I'm gonna open up treat. Oh, I can open up the flap like that. Open up the flap like that. Look at this. This is so genius. On a table, when you're able to not just, you don't want to go in the bag and kind of make a mess of it. It opens it up like that, kind of like, you know, flat lay. So you have everything that you can see, that you can grab at the ready. So really cool. Well, that's the first time I see this little scheduler for pills if you need that. Tools and accessories, everything in their little pouch. Love that it's visible. That's very, very important to me. You've got your tape. I'm just gonna look at the type of tape. Yeah, you've got that skin tape that doesn't you know, tear your skin up. You got your kind of like gauze tape right here. All of the bandages. I'm talking about a ton of bandages, guys. This is 500 pieces, I repeat. So you've got ice packs and gloves. Super important to have some gloves, of course. More ice packs, gauzes and bandages, triangular bandages if you're gonna do kind of a brace for a shoulder. You've got some more bigger gauzes. Really, really cool. Safety and hygiene. Look at our cotton balls here. Anything to clean a wound. Look at that. Floss pick, lancets. You've got more little cotton swabs. Really, really nice. Let me put that back in there. And I love the fact that it is so well organized, and so often, like often you'll see bags that are really well organized and you're never able to put them back the way they were. Well, this one is very easy, as you can tell, right? So we're gonna go like this. Doop. Then we're gonna bring this in. We're going to probably what? Yep. Just snap this into place like that, just like this, and then close this one all the way. And I'm ready to put it back and get ready for the next time I need it. This thing is fantastic. It is highly recommended to have probably multiple of those around the house, the car, the camping site, anywhere. This is a must.